Díobh YouTube, Consultatu. I'm very well, thanks. I'm a bit tired now after the hike yesterday, but we had a good one anyway. So we had 44 in total, which was great. We always get a good turnout for our first hike in the year, and it took us 3 hours to do an 8k hike, which was quite good, I have to say. We did very well for the amount of people that we had. I was leading the hike. Hope we get more opportunities to do that. My idea now is to do as many hikes as I can over the next coming weekends to get ourselves ready for a course called Mountain Skills, which is run by the Irish Mountaineering Council, and the idea is that it teaches people how to hike properly in the outdoors, read maps, use compasses and plan your routes and times, etc., and contact numbers and escape routes and so on and so on and so on. So hopefully we'll get that, we'll get enough training in and we'll get our course done, and we'll have a couple more experienced mountaineers in the club. We were hiking in Glendalough. I don't know if you can see the map. I'll put up a photo of it anyway, but there you go. That's where we were. So we went up around the hill and then down into the valley. We did it in reverse last year, so I thought I'd change it this year and we'll go up we had to climb about 100 steps, if not, I think it's more than 100 steps up to the top of to the first viewing point, and yeah, it tired everyone out, but it got everyone going as well at the same time, so that was my plan. So that's that. Just a couple more updates, everybody. The mp3 video that I made a while back, I tagged 5 people in it. They are Charlie, Luke, Dan, Thomas and Jim. So you all know who you are, and I hope to see your videos soon. And you in turn can tag 5 more people, and we'll hopefully get that going across YouTube, across our friends. So I look forward to seeing them. Other than that, I'm going to try and get another climbing video sorted. I'm going to Trinity on Thursday, so I might try and get a few routes videoed there. So that should be good fun. If you have any ideas of videos you'd like me to do, topics you'd like me to cover, by all means drop me a comment or a message. If you like the videos that I've done so far, and if you like this one and the hike video, you have a like button down there and a subscribe button up here. So by all means, let me know what you think. So that's a good start. I've had a good start to my New Year's resolutions. Start as you mean to go on and all that. I hope you guys have your resolutions started and sorted. We're a week in. We've 51 more to go. Gotta get something done. Raibh agat, Blliain Nua Sásta, agus Slán.